What is up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I'll be doing a market analysis and market outlook on what we could expect to see this upcoming week. So without further ado, starting out with a DXY, I have my psychological levels marked out on the weekly time frame. So I marked out the 104.200 and 100.900 and 107.90. So looking at the weekly, I'm expecting the DXY to continue pushing up into this 104.200 region. If we go to the daily, we'll see how we had a change in character or a shift in trend. So if we look here, we were on an uptrend, broke structure here, started pushing down, creating lower highs. So we had lower high, lower high, lower high. We had a lower low here, and what did we get here? We got a inverse head and shoulder pattern right here. Had an inverse head and shoulder pattern right here, and now we're pushing up, breaking structure. So we broke above this region here on the daily time frame, which is why dollar is starting to push up. So one area, or my first target for dollar, is to take out this level here, this 104.200 level. So once we get up to this region here, I'm expecting dollar to eventually break above, retest, and come for this next level here. Alright, so this is what I have for dollar. I'm expecting dollar to continue pushing up. If we look here, we have this area of consolidation. So first we need to break out from this little box area. So first we need to break out this area, then eventually we'll come to this target here. So in the long run, I'm expecting dollar to continue rising. So when we go to pairs like Euro USD, if you know about pair correlation, I'm expecting Euro USD to continue to push down. So if you look here, we've been pushing down. As dollar is rising, Euro USD is pushing down. So on the weekly time frame, I have my key areas marked out, psychological levels. I come to the daily. Let's analyze the daily. So we were on an uptrend, right? We were pushing up, making higher highs and higher lows, even though this kind of like broke structure, but it corrected itself, pushed up, and now we could see that we're stepping down, creating lower highs as well, lower highs and lower lows. So we have a high here, a high, lower high here, and a lower high. So I'm expecting Euro USD to continue pushing down. Right now we're at this key psychological level, which is the 1.08200. So we need to break below here first. If we drop down further to the 130-minute time frame, we get a better look at what's going on. So if I'm looking here, notice how we had this area here of support. This was a form of support that turned resistance. So notice how we broke below here, and now we retested. Now we retested this area, and potentially I'm expecting this to continue pushing down to this level here, which is the 1.08200. And once we get there, I'm expecting it to break down lower to finally reach right here, the 1.07500. So we just gotta wait and see. If you pulled this entry here, this was a clean entry. Unfortunately, I missed it. So it came up. So after through this M formation, whenever you have an M formation, a little cool cheat code for you guys is wait for the break, and then you wait for the retest to the neckline, and eventually it drops down. This happens, I would say, 9 out of 10 times. Alright, so we got the same formation here. It had an M formation, broke with this bearish engulfing candlestick. Market pushed up, retest, and now it's making its way down. So if you caught your entry off of this key fib area, hypothetically, let's say we put our, where is it? So let's say we put our short position here. Alright, there we go. So let's say we put our short position here. We could have got this trade if we put our stop loss above here. This would have been an easy banger setup. And you target key level. So your first target would be this first key level here, which is the 1.8200. Then the next psychological level that I'm targeting would have been right here. So this could have been a nice setup. So what I'm expecting is for Euro USD to continue pushing down, breaking below this support area. So moving forward, looking at GU, me personally, GU is projecting it to go down. However, I don't like the price action that's going on. It's really choppy. If you can see here, you can even draw a box around this area. This is really bad market conditions. So me personally, I'm not looking for any trades on GU. However, I do expect it to push down just because the DXY is projected to go up. Moving forward for GBP JPY. So GJ has a really nice setup. So currently we're at the highs here. We're currently at a high here. I'm expecting GJ to push up higher. Reason why, look how we respected this key area here, psychological level 187.400. Look how many wicks to the bottom we got, right? So once we drop down more to the 130-minute time frame, we see that we were trending downwards. Even though it was a little choppy in between, we were trending downwards. Why? Because if we look at the highs, notice how the highs are stepping down, like you're going down a staircase. Notice how the highs are stepping down and the lows are stepping down as well. So we were on a downtrend. We were trending in a downwards direction. So, but look what we got here. We were trending down, but around this area we broke structure above. So this broke the whole downtrend structure, which we know if you get a break of structure, 9 times out of 10 you're gonna get a reversal. So we broke above. Now what was resistance became support, and now the market is currently bouncing off this key area, this key support area. So I'm expecting the market to buy up from here. However, the market can dip down to come more into this fair value gap that's here. So there is a fair value gap as well as my key fib levels here. So the market could come down a little more, push down, and then buy up to this 188.900 psychological level. But honestly, I'm looking to get in this trade as soon as the market open, depending on how the price action look, candlestick formation looks. I'm planning on getting in GJ because this trade is a A+ setup. Why? Look how it's respecting off this support area. Look how the candlesticks are stepping up. All right, so we're getting wicks to the bottom at a key support area. So I'm expecting GJ to buy up from this area. So as soon as the market opens, I'm looking to get in this. All right. So looking at gold. So gold is probably one of my favorite pairs. I just been trading it for so long. So looking at gold, I have all these levels marked out. Let's go to the weekly. So at the weekly, we see that we've been continuing this downward push all the way down. Let me fix my chart. So So we've been continuing this downward push. If we go to the daily, you'll see it better. Hold on, let me fix. Alright. Yeah, so if you look here, notice how we're stepping down and creating lower highs and lower lows. This area here, we came in this area here. If I were to draw my fib from here to here, we hit a key fib area. We hit a key fib area here, which, oh, let me draw that again. Hit a key fib area here, which also was a fair value gap. If I take this, so this was a daily fair value gap. So this was a daily fair value gap. So look how the market pushed down, came up to here, respected that fair value gap slash fib, key fib area, and started to tank down. This went down how many pips? This went down for about 300 pips. So you could have caught a 300 pip move in the beginning of the week just off of the daily alone. So these fair value gaps are like magnets for the market. The market tends to come to these fair value gaps, especially if it lines up with a key fib area. So keep that in mind. I'll probably drop a video explaining more about the fair value gaps alongside with the fib, alongside using the fib levels. I'll probably drop a video later on in the year. So once we drop down to the 130-minute time frame, 130-minute time frame, we could kind of see better what's going on. So notice how we have another key fair value gap, and it lines up with our fib level, key fib level. So notice how it spiked into here and off the fair value gap. I had put a sell limit here, stop loss above here, and now we're currently in profit. This trade went about 100 pips. Now it's at 80 pips right now. So I'm expecting this. Let me kind of fix this up. I'm expecting gold to come down further into this area here, this key fib level 2009. I'm expecting gold to come down to this area and take this out and to further push down all the way to here. So this aligns, notice how this aligns with dollar buying up. So we know that for the most part, gold does the opposite of what the DXY does. So if DXY is pushing up, you could expect gold to push down most of the time. Sometimes gold does whatever the hell it wants, which is why it's one of the hardest pairs to trade. But for the most part, it correlates with dollar in a negative way. So whatever dollar does, gold does the opposite. So with that being said, the main two trades that I'm focusing on so far is GBP JPY and gold. Alright, so I got gold sales and GBP JPY buys and Euro USD sales as well. Alright, so I hope this helps. Keep in mind that the Precision Profit Academy is releasing soon. The release date is February 11th. Alright, so in the academy, we're gonna just have so much content. We're gonna be having live weekly teach sessions where I go over my strategy, answer all your Q&A, your questions. I'm giving you guys answer. We have back testing sessions. So throughout 2024, we're just really trying to level up and just really grind. We're grinding. In the private Discord, we're really, showing some analysis. I love the community. We're helping each other out and really trying to grow as traders. So if you join the academy, just know you're getting live teaching sessions, live trading sessions, one-on-one teaching sessions, advanced content, advanced templates, and so much more. All right. Also, my learn and earn is releasing as well February 11th. Learn and Learn is where I just give you guys signals. Some of you may be too busy to, you know, put 100% effort into the charts, which is why I'm doing my Learn and Learn, where I will just give you guys signals. All you have to do is just copy and paste. Whatever I see you, just copy and paste. If I say buy GJ at this price and put your TP here and your stop loss here, you're just simply copying and pasting and making money. So I will send out 5 to 10 signals a week. And not only am I sending out signals, I'll be doing trade breakdowns and also revealing my trading strategies, so that way you're learning and still making money. All right, and stay tuned for the ATM bot, because the ATM bot is really making people a lot of money and has a high win rate, about 60 to 70% win rate with good RR, with a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 RR. So that's really good. So stay tuned for the bot. The bot, honestly, the bot is really good. So stay tuned for that. And make sure you guys are signing up for the early registration, because spots are limited. All right, so spots are limited, so only a select few of people could actually get into the academy. All right, so I hope this video helps you guys, and I hope you all have a great trading week. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.